You turn the key, the engine fires up, but instead of a smooth purr, your car starts doing the morning shimmy. That nerve-wracking shake that makes you wonder, is this normal? Or is something seriously wrong? Today, we're diving deep into why your car shakes during startup, and more importantly, when you should actually be concerned. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another detailed breakdown where we help you understand your vehicle better. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what causes startup shaking and how to tell if it's time for a trip to the mechanic. Normal versus concerning shakes. Let's start with some good news. Not all startup shaking means trouble. Think of your engine like a person waking up in the morning. Just like you need a minute to get going, your engine needs time to warm up and get all systems running smoothly. But here's the crucial part. Normal shaking shouldn't last more than 10 to 15 seconds. If your car's doing the shake and bake routine longer than that, or if it feels like you're in an earthquake simulator, we need to talk about what might be going wrong. Common causes. Now, let's break down the most likely culprits behind that morning shimmy. And trust me, understanding these could save you hundreds in unnecessary repairs. First up, we've got the cold engine factor. When your engine's cold, everything's contracted and tight, kind of like your muscles before a workout. Add in thick, sluggish oil, and you've got a recipe for some vibration until things warm up. Next, we're looking at your engine's morning coffee, fuel delivery. If your fuel injectors are dirty or your fuel filter's clogged, your engine's basically running on fumes until everything gets flowing properly. Hey, quick pause here. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got tons more automotive knowledge bombs coming your way. Warning sign. But when should you actually be worried? Here are the red flags you can't ignore. If your entire car's rocking like it's at a concert, when the shaking lasts longer than 15 seconds, if you're seeing warning lights on your dashboard, when you hear concerning sounds like knocking or rattling. Speaking of concerning sounds, make sure to check out our video on 5 scary car noises you can't ignore. It's the perfect companion to this guide, and I'll link it in the end screen. Diagnostic steps. Now, let me show you how to play car detective. Here's what you can check yourself. Pop the hood and look for any obvious loose components. Pay attention to when the shaking occurs, cold start only, or all the time. Monitor your RPMs. Are they dancing around like crazy? Listen for any unusual sounds during startup. By the way, we've got an in-depth article about this topic on our website, yourmotorcare.com. Head over there for even more detailed information and step-by-step guides. The link's in the description below. Solutions. Let's talk fixes. Sometimes the solution's as simple as regular oil changes with the right viscosity, replacing worn spark plugs, cleaning fuel injectors, checking and replacing motor mounts if necessary. Remember, while some startup shake is normal, excessive vibration is your car's way of waving a red flag. Don't ignore it. A small fix now could prevent a massive repair bill later. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out our website, yourmotorcare.com, for more automotive wisdom. Drop a comment below with your car shaking experiences. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep your engine purring and your wheels turning. See you in the next video.